In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Don't worry, to get app lock on this POCO you don't need to download any app. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down to hit apps section. Then hit app lock on the left and tap on turn on after selecting password type. Usually most people go with screen lock, but if you want to have a separate password only for app lock, hit privacy protection password first and then tap on turn on. Now hit setup in the pop-up. Tap on other password and pick one of those login methods for your apps: custom PIN, password or pattern. Create it, repeat it to confirm it, and if you made a mistake, don't worry, just click on try again or clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. When you finished, tap on OK. Select Add if you want to add your Xiaomi account or Not now. Now to lock any of those apps, click on Use App Lock right away. All of those will be locked. If you don't want to do that though, you need to click on each one. And then to make sure, check for 0 at the bottom. Now tap on Use App Lock and click on gray switches next to apps you wanna lock. When you finished, go back and try to enter one of them to see that your app lock was successfully added. To get rid of app lock from any app, go back to the same section in your settings, hit app lock, enter it, and tap on no blue switcher. To manage all other app lock options, use this gear at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!